Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will going to tell you about 5 big mistakes which all students do in their school life. Taking notes is really important. There is a main reason why taking notes is really important because when you are studying or listening something, taking notes helps you to concentrate on your self study. So taking notes is really important. Taking small breaks is very important. These breaks maintain top study performance and can actually increase focus, reduce stress, and help students better retain information they learn. So, at least 10 minutes of break is enough for refreshing your mind. According to Google, when a student is stressed, it is take over their ability to focus during classes or self-study. Taking proper sleeps help because sleep itself has the ability to control stress and clean the bad things from brain. Not clearing the doubts properly can confuse your mind during exams. So, please clear your doubts from any teacher and it is very important. These kinds of doubt can really affect your results. So, please clear your doubts from any teacher. I hope you found this video useful. See you next time. Bye bye.